It's Alyssa's birthday eve.
Yay!
And sadly, she's turning 16 tomorrow.
Yeah, that's pretty old.
It is really old, Alyssa. No, I'm so excited. I have a beautiful daughter and we're celebrating. We're celebrating birthday eve, birthday day. We have a great vlog coming tomorrow. We're gonna have a really good day today.
I'm excited.
All about Alyssa. We're in California Adventure and I told Alyssa our first stop would be to shop for a mini backpack. She doesn't have one.
I love them. They're also
find
cute.
one.
Look how cute this one is.
Really cute. How about this?
That's cute. Look at the ice cream.
Oh my gosh, Alyssa.
Ooh, that
That's
could be on one of my
cute.
top favorites so
Oh,
far.
I like that.
So I want to see every single one in the park before I decide.
Okay.
Oh, look at that one.
Ooh, she spotted that one. This is a hard decision.
I don't know.
Both of those scream your name, Alyssa.
I know, right?
Oh, that's cute too. Here's a whole rack.
That's cute too.
Kind of matches your shirt.
Oh yeah.
Although I don't know if it's really your full style.
True, because it doesn't have ears either.
Or glitter. I think we found the one. We're getting in line. We brought a birthday present with us for Alyssa. I figured we might open this one today instead of tomorrow.
Oh my gosh! It's Mickey ears! They're so pretty! Look at all the diamonds! Thank
You like them?
Yeah, they're really
They're from Disney World. It's their 50th anniversary ones.
They're so pretty.
Cute.
Yeah.
Those look so good. Look at those pretty flowers. That looks delicious. She got one prize. So far, we have shopped and eaten and pretty much nothing else. But are you having a good day?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, we're gonna go get our bread, which we love to do. We're finally going on our first ride.
It's the web slinger ride. I've never been on it before.
Neither have I.
I'm excited.
Actually, neither has Chloe.
It's true.
It's her first time on the ride. She looks really excited.
Peter Parker!
Hey, what's up? I'm Peter Parker.
Don't call it a story! Already on it.
Everyone head to the slingers and we'll team up to stop the spider boss before they destroy the campus.
The rest of us are going over here. What are you eating? Nerf balls? Where did you get those? Oh, man. Chloe, did you hate it? I don't think it's gonna get you. Said hi.
Yes, I could lift up this whole entire room.
Okay, super strength. Kind of like a football, right?
Access granted.
awesome. He's gonna join the Avengers.
Oh, they saw Thor up there. Well, that's our next stop, Guardians of the Galaxy, but we got sidetracked. Heather's gonna go refill it. Water falling, everybody. Did he wave to you?
I love Thor Ragnarok!
We're in line for ride number 2, Guardians of the Galaxy. New name.
You're now standing in my
We're right in the front. Here we go. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Well, you guys are looking pretty weird.
I love that ride so much. It was a lot of fun.
Especially the free falling part.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. We were leaving the last ride and there goes Alyssa, spoiling her birthday presents. I got her something in Florida and they happen to have it here. And I'm like, oh my gosh, stop looking at that. But she's gonna be so happy because I got her this cute little group, like plant thingy for her desk and she'll open it tomorrow. I guess the good thing is I know for sure she's gonna like it. We're heading up to Pixar Pier. We're gonna get a drink, right?
Yes.
Yes. Yummy?
So good.
It looks so perfect. Do you recommend it?
What's up, dancing? What's the...
That was really fun.
Here we go, Alyssa. We lived. Wow. That was fun. I'm glad we did that one. Woo. I wasn't gonna go. Lovely pictures of us. Lucky boy. Look at Zach. What a good brother. We're walking kind of backstage right now because there's a parade going on. You don't always get to walk back here at Disneyland, but sometimes you do. We just stopped to get a little more food since everybody's hungry since lunch. And I used Apple Pay for the first time, and it was kind of amazing. I was impressed.
Alyssa got her favorite fish and chips.
We're making sure we have to work out tomorrow.
Oh yeah.
Fireworks a little loud. There they are, right ahead of us. That went on Small World. Alyssa, go this road with me. Alyssa, me, and Chloe. Here she is. We're getting ready to watch Fantasmic, and we are front row.
Let's Captain Jack Sparrow. Need a rescue?
Do you? How dare you! Even dogs have better manners!
That's cool, right?
Wow, this is my dream!
There we go. Well, our day is coming to a close. Did you have a good day today?
It was a lot of fun.
I had a wonderful day. Way more fun than I thought I'd have.
And we're going to say bye very soon.
Yes, we're going to say bye right now, actually, because the park's closed and it's time for us to go home. And we need to get our rest because tomorrow's a big day.
Yep.
Alyssa has her actual 16th birthday tomorrow.
Excited.
I'm so sad.
I know.
She got way too old too fast. She doesn't realize it, but I do. Anyway, guys, we'll see you tomorrow.
Bye.
Bye.